go trick-or-treating.
Christopher, we're gonna go this way.
Take hand.
We're gonna go this way. Come on. Attaboy. What if you do in front of us?
Hi. Hello.
Hello. Come on up, kiddo.
Oh. Nice.
What is this flash?
Come on, kiddo. Just far as it's good.
I'm not
Oh,
sure
there we go.
he's too sure of that light.
Come on.
Trick or treat. He's not so sure. Okay.
Just a flashing light, sweetheart. It's okay.
Here you are.
Oh, thank you. Say trick or treat.
It's okay.
Trick or treat. Thank you. Thank you.
The first secret.
Good. How are you?
Christopher,
You're the
look.
first
Okay,
house who's
buddy.
ever trick or treated.
Oh my gosh, look, Christopher. Come here.
What does Hoda have? He's not so sure.
Okay.
Look what's in here, Christopher.
Look.
Oh.
Oh,
Say thank you, Hoda, and put it in your bucket. That's right. Good boy.
Have a seat.
you.